Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete a message on Viber application using your mobile device. Deleting a message on Viber is super easy. First, launch the Viber app on your smartphone like you normally do. Once you open up the Viber application, go ahead and select a chat where the message you want to delete is located. After you do that, go ahead and select the message you want to delete, press and hold it, and click on the delete button. Now, you can choose delete for everyone or delete for myself. To remove it from your view only, tap on delete for myself. To remove it from both sides, tap on delete for everyone. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete the message. Now you know how to quickly delete Viber messages like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.